In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover the unsaved draft emails from Outlook. If you were writing an email and something interrupted you, maybe your browser closed or you navigated away, there's a good chance Outlook saved a draft automatically. Let's walk through how to find it quickly and get back to writing. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook. This is a simple way to get to the correct site, especially if you don't have it bookmarked. In the search results, click the official Outlook website to open the Outlook web app. Once you're in your mailbox, we'll look for your draft. On the left-hand sidebar, click Drafts. This folder is where Outlook keeps messages that were started but not sent. Outlook typically auto-saves as you type, so even if you didn't click Save, you may see a version of your message here. Scan the list and look for the subject line you recognize, or use the timestamp to pinpoint the most recent draft from when you were working. Opening the message will let you confirm the content and continue where you left off. If you don't see your draft in the Drafts folder, don't worry. Sometimes a draft can end up in deleted items, especially if it was removed by accident or there was a sync hiccup. In the same left-hand sidebar, click Deleted Items. This folder holds messages that were deleted but can still be recovered for a limited time. Inside Deleted Items, look for the email with the correct subject or the right time and date. When you find it, select it by clicking the checkbox next to the message. With the message selected, click Restore at the top. Restore moves the email back to its original location, most often the Drafts folder, so you can open it again and continue composing. After it's restored, return to your drafts to verify it's there. Then resume editing and send when you're ready. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Focus on the time you were last typing to narrow your search. And remember that restored items go back to where they came from. If you're not seeing the draft in either drafts or deleted items, it may have been removed by mailbox rules or retention policies, or you might be looking in the wrong account. In that case, check that you're in the correct mailbox and try again. That's it. You've learned how to recover unsaved draft emails in Outlook using drafts and, if needed, deleted items, and how to restore the message so you can keep writing without starting over.